Saturday, December 13th, 2025. U.S. Aviation Weather Impact. Summary: Good morning. This is your continental weather briefing for today only. Across the nation, a winter-dominated pattern continues to shape operations east of the Rockies, while the Pacific Northwest remains under persistent Pacific moisture. Conditions are quieter elsewhere, but still include localized ceiling, visibility, and wind considerations relevant to today's flying. A broad Arctic air mass remains entrenched across the northern and central plains into the Midwest, supporting a fast-moving Clipper-type disturbance sliding southeastward. This setup is producing periods of snow, gusty surface winds, and reduced visibilities from the upper Midwest into portions of the Ohio Valley today. Lift associated with a compact mid-level shortwave and low-level convergence is sustaining snow bands capable of IFR to brief IFR conditions, particularly this morning. Runway contamination and desing demand will be the primary operational constraints near major Midwest hubs, with slick surfaces persisting through midday in colder locations. Chicago area terminals remain most susceptible to snow-related delays, while downstream impacts extend toward Indiana and Ohio, with reduced arrival rates possible in heavier bands. Farther east across the Great Lakes, Appalachians, and interior Northeast, colder northwest flow maintains scattered snow showers and low ceilings, especially across higher terrain. While coastal terminals largely avoid significant accumulation, interior New York and Pennsylvania will contend with periodic visibility drops and lingering MVFR ceilings through the day. In the mid-Atlantic, brisk post-frontal winds and residual moisture may produce localized turbulence and uneven ceilings near terrain, though widespread operational shutdowns are not anticipated. The Pacific Northwest continues under the influence of a strong Pacific jet and persistent moisture transport. Heavy rain, low ceilings, and widespread IFR conditions persist across western Washington and Oregon, with ongoing river flooding adding operational complexity near major airports. Expect prolonged low ceilings, reduced braking action, and wind-driven variability in approach conditions. These impacts are likely to be most pronounced near Seattle and Portland throughout the day. Across the Deep South, Gulf Coast, and Florida, the primary concern today is low-level moisture trapped beneath a weak inversion. Patchy fog and low stratus during the morning hours may briefly reduce visibility and ceilings, particularly inland and near coastal plain airports. Conditions generally improve by late morning as boundary layer mixing increases. The Rockies and Intermountain West remain largely dry under subsidence, though mountain wave turbulence and gusty winds aloft may affect climbs and descents near terrain. California remains dominated by high pressure, with valley fog and coastal stratus early before widespread VFR returns.